everyone. So, in some of my self love workshops that I host, I offer my students some prompts to help them to uncover what is happening on the inside. And these prompts kind of help them to change perspective or to see things a little bit differently, to really become more aware of what is happening on the inside. Because sometimes our inner dialogue becomes so habitual that we don't even recognize it anymore because we're so used to that. So I'm going to offer this to you, a couple of prompts to help you to look inward, to help you to change perspective of seeing things, become more aware of what's happening on the inside. So grab a journal or paper and a pen because you'll be doing a little bit of journaling afterwards. But grab that, and then when you're ready, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through the mouth. And do that one more time. Just settle in and relax. Keep your eyes closed. Going within to the heart center. And continue to breathe. Make sure your inhales and exhales are long. And now, as you focus in on the heart center and just listen deeply to the heart center, ask yourself where it is that you have barriers to receiving and allowing love. So just take a few moments to listen deeply to that. And now ask yourself, by listening deeply to the heart center, why are you holding back love from yourself? Why are you withholding showing love for yourself? And really listen deeply to the heart center. Listen to what might be coming up for you. And when we begin to hear and understand what is happening on the inside, and we see the blocks that we've created for ourselves, the inner dialogue for ourselves, when we begin to see things from a new perspective, a new awareness, then we can begin to move forward. And now ask yourself how you can begin to move forward in showing your self-love, in allowing love. And just listen deeply to that answer. And remember that your highest self, your loving self, would never speak negatively of you. It It will be that loving voice from within that wants nothing but the best for you, wants to see you succeed and love yourself deeply. So just continue to listen. And when you are ready, you can bring yourself out and begin to journal what it was that you experienced, what the messages were for you. And if you still are having a hard time, that's okay. Do not get frustrated. You can just stay here within the heart center and listen deeply. Or you can come out and journal whatever it is that you need to journal, or come back to this meditation again, to these prompts again, and listen deeply. Don't rush this, just take your time. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.